Hi, Kevin Keener with Trademark Complete. So what is this registration process? What is this? What am I getting myself into? I've heard so much about trademarks. What have I missed? What do I need to do? Oh my dear Lord, somebody help me. I have no idea what's happening. I'm a blind man in a cave and I might fall in a chasm and never get out. Don't worry, it's not that bad. It's a simple process. The trademark process takes about 1 year. I tell clients on average about 1 year from filing to get the registration certificate. However, the fastest I've ever had a trademark go through is about 8 months, perhaps 9 months, where there was no problem. I filed the application, never heard about it, and it went straight to publication and was issued, and that was the next time I heard about it was whenever I got the certificate of registration. So, what is this process? It starts with the application. First, you submit the application to the trademark office. You tell the trademark office, this is the trademark I want to protect. These are the goods and services I want to protect the word for. And I pay a fee to the trademark office for each class of goods that I want to protect. Next, it goes to the examining attorney. The examining attorney looks at the application, makes sure there's no problems with it. There are a handful of reasons why it may get rejected, or might need some modifications before moving on. Assuming everything is okay, it will move on to publication. If everything is not okay, then the examiner issues what's called an office action. And the office action says, these are the reasons I'm rejecting the application or the changes you need to make, and then I'll let it through. So you get 6 months to respond. You respond to the office action, and if there's no problems then, it moves on to publication. So the publication process is when your mark, along with a bunch of others, is published in a gigantic PDF on the trademark website. It's called the Trademark Official Gazette. This gives third parties, anybody out there who might have an interest in that trademark, a reason to oppose the trademark. Once it's published, they have 1 month to file an opposition or to file an extension for an opposition. An extension can go on for 3 months. So essentially, within that time frame, they need to file before the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board a petition, an action seeking to oppose your registration. In my case, usually about 1 to 2% of applications get opposed, so the vast majority have no problems and go through. After the publication process, if you filed an intent to use application, you receive then what's called a notice of allowance. You can then submit your specimen in what's called a statement of use. If you filed a use in commerce application under Section 1A, you don't have to bother with the notice of allowance process. You go straight to getting your registration certificate. And that is the registration process in a nutshell. Thank you very much. I'm Kevin Keener, and have some happy trademarking.